Welcome viewers. Today I'm going to talk about SSC examinations. What does SSC means? Staff Selection Commission, under which there is an MTS form fill up is going on right now. What does MTS means? MTS means multitasking staff. Okay. So here you just need to be on the office and you need to do the Xerox and the officers whatever they ask for you need to do all those works. Okay, and the amount of salary you will be getting is quite handsome according to me. And the last date for the submission of this online application is 21/3/2021. All right, and the age limit for the general candidate is 18 to 25 years, and for other candidate like OBC ST they have 18 to 27 years. You need to be so that you can apply for this MTS examination form. Now, essential qualification required to do the form fill up of this examination is just you need to be pass matriculation examination. Okay, whether it is from the private or government or open, it doesn't matter. I mean distance. So now let us see the exam center. These are the exam center for the northeastern region. Okay, for Assam, you can see which one is suitable for you. We can select for that and apply it. Let us proceed forward. The scheme of examination here, there will be two paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be computer based exam and paper 2 will be descriptive. In paper 1 you will have four subjects: general English, general intelligence and reasoning, numerical aptitude, general awareness. Each subject consists of 25 marks. The time allotted for this exam is 90 minutes. In paper 2, there you need to write a short essay or a letter in English. Marks include 50 marks and minutes will be provided 30 minutes for that. So paper 1 is very important for you. So I will provide that notice in the link below. And to do form fill up, you just need to log on to this particular website and then you can do the form fill up of your. Next, the amount of salary which you will get in MTS, you can see here currently in hand SSC MTS salary is approximately 18,000 to 22,000 per month. See, initially a good handsome amount of salary you are getting. All right, and if you are interested for that, you can apply for it. See, after qualifying class 10 exam, you are getting a very nice opportunity to go for central based examinations and get a handsome amount of salary. Very nice according to me. So just apply for that. A request to all the class 10 pass out student, please apply for that.